In complete darkness, we are all the same. It is the knowledge that separates us and guides us in a world that lacks direction. Such knowledge is brought to you to give you the right direction. Welcome to Superior Group of Colleges, a complete career building institute that mirrors dedication, reflects devotion and speaks commitment. Chartered by the Government of Punjab, affiliated with Lahore Board, Technical Board and Punjab University. It is our mission statement that makes us special. We are committed to enhance potential of the students, faculty, staff and all segments of the society by bringing positive change in their personal and career lives, motivating them for enlightenment and entertainment through quality education, personality development, true professionalism and career planning, thereby adding value to our nation and humanity at large. May Allah Almighty help us.
We, the member of Superior family, are committed towards our core objectives, that is, quality education, personality development, true professionalism, and career molding. These are the attributes which makes us different from other educational institutes.
Let's have a panoramic view of our network of colleges. Superior College of Intermediate, we offer FSc, ICS and ICOM. Superior College of Business and Management Sciences, we offer MBA Professional, MBA Executive, Masters in Mass Communication Management, BBA and Bachelors of Aviation Management. Superior College of IT and Computer Sciences, we offer MSc Computer Sciences, MSc Telecommunication and BSc Computer Sciences. Superior College of Commerce and Accountancy, we offer ACCA with MCOM, MSc Economics, BCom Punjab University, BSc Economics, ACCA, CA and CAT. Superior College of Law, we offer LLM, LLB Punjab University and BA with Law. Enter to Masters, a complete career building institute, chartered by the Government of Punjab as Degree Awarding Institute, affiliated with Lahore Board, Technical Board and Punjab University. 4 spacious and beautiful air-conditioned, purpose-propelled campuses, facility of air-conditioned classrooms, computer labs, science labs, auditorium, library and a singing cafeteria. More than 150 professional experienced faculty members including PhDs, liaisons with parents, exams, tests, monthly attendance reports, awards, prizes, free of cost textbooks, study tours, seminars, workshops and foundation classes, sports, social get-togethers, cultural functions, player trips and special welcome farewell galas, training in multinational companies, leading banks and software houses, transport from all corners of Lahore, hostel facility for students, training of IT students at Superior Solutions, training of Management Sciences students at Center of Human Resource Development, courseworks accepted at prestigious universities in UK, USA and Australia, career counseling and job placement cell,